If the Tesla heat collapses and the refill is cold, it is fine. Be sure to note that if the refill method is wrong, the air conditioner will have poor cooling effect. The quality and heat effect will be poor. Mousy 3 has just been repaired.
We teach you how to add cold coal correctly. Please feel free to like, subscribe, forward, and reward to support the Der Spiegel and DNDN columns. Clamp the cold coal and return to see if the refrigeration status is ready. The third step begins to vacuum and pull out the water evaporator from the air conditioning pipeline. The fourth step begins to add soft coal and first completes the first bottle. After adding the first refrigerant, click on the snowflake and click on the system to make the heat pump system adapt. You can see that the compressor has. Start turning, then continue to add refrigerated coal. A total of 4 levels of refrigerated coal will be added. If the heat pump trial operation stops during the process of adding refrigerated coal, click Trial Run again until all refrigerated coal is added. It should be noted that Tesla can only add 1 kilogram of coal. Do not add more or less, otherwise the air conditioner will be prone to problems.